A plunger just doesn't cut it for me sometimes, and I needed more power. That's why today I'm introducing the Pogo Plunger. This isn't a new idea. It's been around since about 2011.
I'm introducing the Pogo Plunger.
And I don't know why it hasn't taken over the modern American bathroom market yet. I'm just gonna show you how effective this is on a demonstration toilet that we conveniently set up right here. All right. Got it from the toilet. Didn't flush. See, the trick here is you stand on the edge of the bowl. I should probably get safety equipment actually.
Much better.
All right, so User's Guide 101 to the Pogo Plunger. Stand on the edges of the bowl. Place the, I should probably get a full face helmet. I'm gonna hurt myself.
Much better.
Much better. Like I was saying, you stand on the edge of the bowl and just pop it. It didn't work like, I'm gonna try again. It didn't work like I thought it would. Stand on the edge of the bowl and you just pop it. I'm gonna have to try this idea. Back to the drawing board. Give me a bit.
I've got it.
All right. Now for the next iteration. Whew, it's pretty heavy, but I introduced to you the Jackhammer Plunger, the next evolution from our great company. And let me tell you, does this thing unclog a toilet? Holy cavoli, let me show you. Got our demo toilet right here, if you'll remember from the Pogo Plunger. Now, the instructions are pretty simple. Drop it in there. It's pretty ergonomic. And just push this button right here. And as you see, the toilet is now unclogged. Wow! And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the Jackhammer Plunger. The viewers wrote in to ask about what happens if the Jackhammer Plunger isn't good enough for the job. So I would like to tell those people that we also include another bit for your jackhammer. I don't know, I've only seen jackhammers used as plungers before. So I'm not sure if people understand what this is, but this is for the really hard jobs. It's when like your dog is in your toilet or when there's an elephant in your toilet. I don't know, but this is for the really big jobs. So like the Jackhammer Plunger, you put the jackhammer into the toilet like so. If you could point down at the toilet. And then just push the button. And like sometimes the hole's not big enough, so you have to make it a little bigger. Make sure you get all sides of the toilet. And that is how you unclog a toilet with a jackhammer.
That is definitely unclogged.
Thanks for making it to the end of the video, everybody. Big shout outs to Caleb, Jacob, and Ben for helping out a ton with this project. Be sure to consider subscribing because I have a lot more content like this coming on the way. Thanks for watching.